See, and then it's like, oh, in first person. All right, get me two 10 mils.
2 10 mils. You got it.
That's since I have 2 quarters for no reason at all. Watch out. Watch out, Josh. Okay, get out of my way. There I go. Watch out. This is for purely inspirational video.
Man, I'm so inspired.
I know. You should be. Did it die? I don't like it when it does. Ever. Let's add this to the things of shit that Honda did that I don't like.
I like this long list.
It is. It is a long list. That's why I said that. I wanna know why this radiator is fucking leaking everywhere.
I don't know. Question of the day.
Wait, now I need to get like up there. And then I feel like I can just readjust it. Oh my god. This is too much fun for me. Just saying.
What a nice new fan.
I know. That one is pretty nice. Gotta get that view.
Damn.
Wanna put?
Even need to look.
I know. Crazy.
I'm glad that didn't go in there. I thought that was the fan. Just some dude.
Yeah, that one that came with it's the wrong fucking size.
Oh, the new peacock? Or the one that was on the radiator?
Yeah, the one that was. The one you got for the radiator is not right.
Oh, that's the wrong size?
Yeah, dude, look at the size.
I love how they
difference.
literally gave me the wrong one.
See?
That's funny ass.
Fuck.
Oops, I dropped the soap.
Hey, look, there's the O-ring I was talking about that I said that you didn't have in your radiator. It was in your radiator the whole time.
It popped out?
Yep, it's
Well,
in
that's
there.
hilarious. Good thing I have other O-rings. But also good thing it doesn't matter because, you know, new radiator.
Yep, new radiator.
Hey, I can get $3 back for this though, so you know. Now John will return it and Josh will return it.
It's not that I returned it, it's that they never even told me it was there.
Yeah.
Alright, take this over there, don't slowly. No. Take that fluid over there and go to the backyard and get the black bucket. Yeah, a little.
Alright, where do you want it?
Yeah, right there is fine. Get the black bucket.
Bucket, good sir. Or one of them.
This is what you get for not getting size fucking shit. You gotta fucking work extra fucking hard for no reason.
You're not getting what?
Sized fucking hoses
Hoses?
and lines.
Lines?
These fucking shit.
Clamps, you mean?
Yeah, you're a fucking dickhead for doing this to me. I fucking hate it.
Damn. I hate when Josh takes initiative on something. It's just awful.
Yeah, because you don't ask what you should get, you just buy shit. And then I have to,
Clamps, man.
have to get fucked.
That's all it was. It's a clamp.
Yep. And I have to get fucked.
Damn, that clamp's fucking good then, eh?
Yep.
Well, at least it caught something. Oh, look at that guy bent. Yummy. Oh, do I need those clamps too?
You do something like that and they're weak, then they'll just fucking do what this one did.
Well, I guess it would have happened eventually anyways.
Yeah, it would have happened eventually, but eventually happening and happening now are two different things.
Yeah.
Because you just rather it not happen right now.
Yeah.
And I'd rather it not happen at all.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but imagine it happening and when you least expect it in a week, you know?
Yeah. Oh wow. This the second fan on here is still the original Honda.
Yeah, it is.
Nice.
Yep.
Where do you even find the old style clips they had on there?
This don't matter.
Huh?
These don't matter.
The old style clips?
Yeah, like these ones right here don't matter.
Yeah.
They're just from the factory.
Oh, okay. That's it. You don't see any of those at the stores. So.
Yeah, that's because they're fitted.
Mmm. Interesting.
Yep.
Some old fitted clips.
Yep. Old fitted shit.
Don't they last?
Yep, they do.
This was made October 28th, 2019.
You owe me a 70-cent clamp.
I got clamps right here. Oh, that type. Alright. You got it.
Where's the new clamps for these?
Yeah, smaller one would have been better.
Yeah, it's fun.
So wild. Why ain't that convenient?
It really is, though.
Nice and snug.
I want to put it down. Yep, I am. Then I'll get under it. Oh, nice and pretty. glad you got these type.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, for real. These are way better.
Yeah. And it's funny, they're the cheaper ones. Like, I don't understand.
I mean, I don't care about that shit.
He got some nice tools, but he paid literally nothing for it because they're all so rusted.
They're nice.
Then,
Like, what brand?
They're all like old American made ones, like Chicago made and stuff like that. I literally, like, I saw him when he got them, and then he showed me them, and I was like, dude, that's ridiculous. All the rest is gone.
Yeah.
Look, so there's two ways. One is you just leave it soaking in vinegar overnight, which does a good job, but not a great job. But the other way, he had this some sort of acid that he had, and then you put it in that, and then you electrolyze the acid, like you send currents through it, and it literally just, all the rust just pours off. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, I've seen people do that shit.
I'll learn. So cool.
I don't care about that kind of crap.
If I find cool shit that I'm like, oh, I gotta get the rust off, I would learn.
I mean, but
And again,
a lot of tools, they don't make like that anymore.
I know.
I'm saying they don't make them like all rusted.
Oh, the type of material.
Yeah, they don't make them. Like, look at this one right here. This was made in the 70s.
Yeah.
And it had a plastic handle. So, just saying. Yeah. It really did. Good thing,
Good thing, John. John the mechanic. Sorry, what's your YouTube name?
Doesn't matter.
What is it again?
I don't fucking know.
Oh, my YouTube name? Yeah, that's a problem.
I know.
They're wrenching it.
Yeah, something bullshit like
Yeah,
that.
good thing they're wrenching it. It's come to the rescue.
Yeah, good thing I know. I've been around this block or two. I don't fucking know.
Ding.
I love when shit just doesn't want to go on the fucking wall. That's what she said. That sounded like the nut I needed.
That's what she said.
That's because it was.
That was it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it was.
Yeah, give it to me.
This car is driving me nuts.
No,
Puns.
not good ones if I do advise.
Oh no, they're as cheesy as they get. That's what makes you good.
Oh, that sounded fucking mint.
Oh. Plug it in, plug it in. Oh, do you remember those videos, help, I have fallen and I can't get up?
Yep.
Bruh, I saw a remix, like somebody used one of those and made it into a freaking trap song. I was like, what the fuck? There was like the original of like the grandma falling kind of thing. I was like, what? Throwbacks, man. They get you good, those commercials. Like, you remember them for life. For better or for worse.
For worse.
Yeah, most of the time.
I don't feel like that was actually in there before.
Huh. This?
Yeah, that thing. I don't think it was actually in that shit.
The me stuff.
Yep.
We gotta go out this weekend.
I'm trying to fucking sleep.
Sounds like a fun weekend.
It might be. We'll see.
Victoria coming over?
I guess.
Yeah, let me put it over here.
Oh, right there.
Overflow tank.
The overflow right there.
The other fluid. There she goes.
All right, let's put some coal in this
Oh,
guy.
no.
Here, bring that over here.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the O-ring.
All right, you hold this.
Okay.
Hold that.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Yep.
Don't want it moved.
I have other green fluid at the house too, I think.
I got some in here.
Okay. I don't know where that O-ring is.
Don't worry about it. Gulp, gulp.
Fuck. Fucking mosquitoes.
Mm-hmm.
Just literally biting my ankle and I want to move. Oh my god.
I'm gonna go ahead and kill it.
No, that's alright. Now I got it. I was like, I know if I jerk, radiator fluid's going everywhere. So
There's that O-ring.
yeah, there she goes.
All right, pull this out. Here, throw it in here. See, this is why I was over here.
Yeah.
All my tools off.